How to log in into your Xero account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your Xero account. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, open up a web browser. Then simply search for Xero. After you search for that, its website should open up. So as it says, it's an accounting software for small businesses. You can directly go to xero.com, and here on the top right, you should find the login button as well. Tap on the login button and it will redirect you to this section where you'll have to type in your email address. And after you type in your email address, just type in your password. So let's do that. Then hit login. After you log in, you will then see an option. You'll be basically redirected to your Xero account. If we have just created the account, you'll need to add your business. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you log in into your account. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.